Today I have for you new Toyota Corolla. Today is premiere. After 2 hours it starts premiere. It's open showroom for people, but I get access now, so I would like to show you new baby, Toyota new baby. This is Corolla hatchback, and here we have just arrived station car. First I would like to show you this one. Like you see, it's hybrid, so we have two engine option. It's 1.8 and 2 liter. 1.8 have 122 horsepower and 2 liter 180, so it will make a lot of fun in automatic gear. We have LED headlight, the nice shape, like you see the light, the front bumper from the headlights, and bonnet is not like in ours very cut down, it's a bit straight, so for me it looks much better. On side it's clean and a little bit shape of here, so down it's very smooth and look nice. Standard it's 16 inches wheels, 205/55, nice design, and I think 17-18 inch on this car will look pretty cool as well. But the best of this Toyota Corolla is a new back. I like it so much. Like you see the real lights a la Lexus look, fully LED. Nice shape of the windshield, back windshield, and here this part nice and smooth, a bit curved shape. Standard camera on the back. So let's see the trunk. Trunk and hatchback is not that big actually, because this is hybrid, so I have 313 or 316 liters. In fuel version is 360, so okay for this segment, but it's a little bit too little for this car. And minus, we don't have any hanger for the shopping bag, so everything will move, but only one thing what you can put, it's net right here. Here we have handle from both sides, so nice to close the tailgate. Let's jump to the back. Back doors, like you see, it's clean, it's plastic. It's a bit hard, but when you press, a bit moving. Nice that the bottom part where you put your armrest, it's soft material. Electric and cup holder. Seats look very cool. I like it, and this shape when you sit hug you so much. You will see now. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable here. The seats on the back will be very good for long trip. They hug you. It's a bit dark here, but I like this black interior and ceiling. It's now front seat is for my position. I'm 178 centimeter, and I have still few you see 2-3 fingers room, and it's very soft front seat, so it's enough space. And for the shoes, this is cool because you can put your boots here. No air vents on the back. This is some kind of minus in my opinion, and this space for I don't know what, everything will move, so it's not that nice. And it's only one pocket on the door, like you see here. There is nothing from this side of driver's side, so shame. Cup holder, small, but it's okay, and enough room for your head. Between the chair we have two Isofix. Between back seats, armrest is very soft, nice. And we have two cup holders. So for long trip, for two people, two person will be very comfortable. For the third one in the middle, I'm not sure, but floor is almost flat, so will be not that bad. Okay, let's jump to the front and see the new design of interior. Okay, front door look much better. Actually, this is like you see some shape here, and it's also plastic, but it's white stitch, so it's look more beautiful. And here like aluminium, but this is probably also plastic part. Look cool, and it's still soft and nice for your arm. To long trip you can rest and you not feel pain, so it's very comfy. Full electric window and mirrors, folded as well, automatic. Small pocket in the door for some juice, tea, and this is very small and deep here, so when you put something it will be hard to reach. Seats for driver have lumbar support, and it's very sporty look with this headrest. I like it. So let's jump inside. I don't have keys, so I can't show you the dashboard, but here it's LED screen and 2-gauge cluster is classic with fuel economy and temperature, and everything you will see inside, like speed and cruise control, head-up display we have here, so it's very nice equipped. Steering wheel, it's soft. I like Toyota leather steering wheel, they are very nice to touch. We have here voice command, a speaker, and all computer and system. You steer from the left side, and from the right side we have adaptive cruise control with radar and mode for your music or any device that you plug. I'm only wondering about the lane keep assist, because I remember from Auris they beep when you was not on your side of the road. So I'm wondering if this button, and when you drive they turn your steering wheel and keep you on your way. We will see. What else we have? Heated seat, this is cool. Heated front windshield, and ESP off, automatic headlights. So very nice feature. You just press the button and don't care about that. And all infotainment, it's big screen, like so it's standard from all industries. Now they put this, and we have nice that it's air conditioned with buttons, no screen, so you just press and it's easy and fast to do that. So good point for Toyota, they not play with screens and you have to go to the menu, so I like it. And vents, they look very nice and they are like deep, and the hazards black, piano black, look nice. What else? The dashboard, you see it's like, it's plastic, but it looks like leather, it's fake leather with white stitch, so make like elegant look of this car. And here as well like piano black, will be probably fingerprint and dirty and scratch, but let's hope it look nice. And you see dashboard is very soft here on top, everything material are very nice. Okay, what we have here from the passenger, like some pocket. It's pretty nice, pretty deep, but they not put, yeah, there is not cool system here, so no vents to open, and you can have like your small fridge here. Shame. What else? USB port and jack. Strange place, but maybe it's because here is wires charge, so maybe you can plug your phone as well or any other device. Heated seat for passenger and driver, And this car have automatic gear. It's CVT with normal look, finally, not like small one, strange, and look nice, but it's a bit confused. Driving mode, press this dial up and down, and EV mode. For me it's look beautiful here. Auto hold, parking, 2 cup holders, nice place, and armrest where you can slide front and back. But it's pretty small actually, deep but small, and have this plastic. This, what the hell, it looks shitty so much, so you have to be careful when you put something. And 12-volt socket. So what do you think about new Toyota Corolla? For me, design is very nice, very beautiful. Interior as well. I hope I can get the car soon for test drive, so I will see how this drive. I hope you enjoy and you like the car. Thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye bye. We have 3 Toyotas ready for customer for test drive soon. They are registered, and what I get information right now making review of this red Toyota Auto. It's 2-liter 180 hybrid with automatic gear, so very nice engine. Have fun. They told me that this is the best option for them, and I believe it. Like you see, please let me know, because I'm not sure. This is like LED but not full LED, and with bulbs, lights, and this have full LED and look like xenon, but it's not xenon, but for me it's look much better. This front light, and the color is like kind of gold sand. It's a very nice option with this black roof. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. Take the test drive if you can, visit your dealership and take one of these Toyota for test drive. Take care guys, thanks for watching, see you next time.